So this is about 3.2 caste system in India. Caste system is a unique feature of Indian society. There are nearly 3,000 castes and 25,000 subcastes in India. Caste system is not only present in Hinduism but also in all the other religions in India. So that is why caste system is a unique feature of India. Like say for example, you take Muslim, Shia and Sunnis, or Christians, Protestant, Catholics. Likewise, in every religion you have sects or denominations which have otherwise taken the form of caste in Indian society. So caste system is unique to Indian society, and it is not unique only to Hinduism, because caste system is present in other religions also. So that is the word caste was derived from Portuguese word casta and Latin word castus, which means pure or pious, or lineage, breed, race or stock. Pure, pious, lineage. You get my point. Structure and characteristics. According to Madan and Majumdar, caste is a closed social group. According to Mason Cooley, when a class is hereditary, it becomes a caste. According to Green, caste is a system of hierarchy in which a movement upwards or downwards ideally is absent. According to H.H. Risley, caste is a group which is endogamous, who have common names, common occupation, sometimes even common property. According to Louis Dumont, caste system is a ritual binary opposition of purity and impurity concept. Ritual binary opposition of purity and impurity concept. Some caste groups are known as polluting groups depending on their occupation and are considered as impure. Some caste groups are considered as non-polluting based on their occupation and are considered as pure caste.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.